Are you a grass-fed or pasture farmer? Many sprayers on the market cannot apply fertilizer and other products. Introducing the Applic8r range, the ultimate grass-fed farmer's boom sprayer. Applic8r is a 2-in-1 tool that can be used not only for conventional crop spraying, but is designed to fill the role of the conventional fertilizer spreader. In a sustainable grass-fed farm system, this fertilizer applicator will have you slashing your fertilizer costs as much as 60%, while at the same time sustainably improving the soil structure and pastures on your farm. And you can customize yours to suit you and your exact needs with our online configurator. MixMax agitation system was developed utilizing the latest computer-generated flow technology, combined with unique tank design, agitators and flow circuitry, and gives the best of both worlds. Being infinitely adjustable, you can go from completely eliminating foaming inside the tank all the way to maximum agitation to mix even the thickest of brews. And you can now mix and apply foliar fertilizers and other organic products to grow more pasture with fewer inputs. The unique combined designs of the tank and chassis work together to provide unparalleled durability while eliminating flat spots, so the mix can't settle while maintaining consistent dilution. The innovative offset rear-mounted pump with a longer drive shaft and ISO 3-point hitch mounts allow the operator to safely run the sprayer whilst sitting on the ground, making filling easy and convenient. The new ErgoMax induction hopper system will conveniently mix all of your products and induct them into the tank, all from a convenient operator station located at the left side of the sprayer. ErgoMax can be operated whilst filling, and combined with our unique couple-up system and 120-degree viewable VisiGauge makes filling a breeze. Applic8r's modular design provides the widest range of configurations in its category, giving you more choice with hydraulic or manual booms, GPS, ISO, or simple in-cab electronic controls. A massive range of front or rear mounted tank and boom size options to choose from, and even boomless options. The new EagleTech hydraulic boom is a game changer when it comes to durability, ease of use, and application precision. Its cutting-edge 3-dimension suspension and wing lift makes it a pleasure to use in even the most difficult terrain as it glides like an eagle. Applic8r is loaded with some brilliant convenience features built in, such as a super sturdy skid plate protecting all the vital components from impact, high volume pumps that don't starve out on hilly terrain, an ultra low tank profile for great visibility, an integrated toolbox and hand washing tank, a handy storage box for measuring containers, or optional features such as a quick flush tank for quicker cleanup times, and much more. All of this backed up with a 4-year warranty, another industry best for peace of mind, knowing there's backup and support that's been well proven for more than 50 years. To book your demo, call one of our consultants today. Click this link to customize an Applic8r and to find out more.